Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Jaybird Vista 2nd generation with your PC. So first of all, you just have to open this case, then input both earbuds inside, click and hold this middle button until this indicator starts blinking quickly. So just take a look how it works, it's very easy. There we go. Right now they are visible for other devices, so all we have to do is to simply open the settings. And next you have to go for the Bluetooth and devices on the left side. Turn it on by tapping on this switcher and click to add device. Select Bluetooth. And right now you just have to wait until they pops on the list. As you can see at the bottom, I can find them easily, so select them once. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.